how are you today? Today I am going to teach you lesson number 6 of standard 1. Subject is English. So what is the name of our lesson? That is, let's read the spelling. T-H-E, the Y-O-U-N-G, young. G-I-A-N-T, giant, the young giant. As we have already learned in our lesson number 2. What was our lesson number 2? It was the fearless prince. Who was there in our lesson? The fearless prince. When he moved on an adventure, where he went, जब वो adventure पे गया, so what he saw over there? उसने क्या देखा वहाँ पे? He saw that there was a giant. So what I told you on that day, that giant means what? Giant का मतलब क्या होता है? A very big monster. Giant means what? Giant means a very big monster. एक बहुत बड़ा राक्षस. So this is the story of a young giant, मतलब एक छोटा monster. Now, how he became a monster? What happened with him? क्या हुआ था? कैसे बना था? What the things happened that we are going to read in this lesson. So let's start. Now, this is a story of young giant. Once upon a time, एक time की बात है, there lived a farmer. Once upon a time, a farmer used to live in a village. A farmer used to live in a village. What do you mean by a village? Village means what? Village means एक छोटा सा गांव. एक टाइम की बात है जब एक गांव में एक फार्मर रहता है. What he used to do over there? फार्मर क्या करते हैं? खेती करते हैं. He used to go to his farm to plug the field. Plug the field मतलब field जो उनका फार्म हाउस है जहाँ पे वो जो भी क्रॉप्स सो करते हैं वो खुदाई करना वहाँ पे क्रॉप्स को सो करना. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी लर्न द स्पेलिंग ऑफ फार्मर, प्लग as well as the farm. So let's write spelling of farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R. The spelling of farmer is F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer is a person who used to work in the farm. जो खेती का काम करते हैं उनको फार्मर बोलते हैं. आपको पता है खेती करना कितना अच्छा होता है. Persons जो खेती करते हैं, from that only we get the food that we are eating. हम रोटी खाते हैं ना, रोटी किससे मिलती है हमको? With a wheat flour. From where we get? From a wheat flour. What is wheat flour? गेहूँ. गेहूँ जो होता है, these are the farmers only. ये वही farmers ही होते हैं जो उसको सो करते हैं. कहाँ पे सो करते हैं? In the field. उसको सो करते हैं ग्राउंड में, फील्ड में, अपने फार्म्स में. Then they used to take care of it for the very long time. They used to pay attention towards it. They water to them properly. बहुत उसका ध्यान रखते हैं. उसको पानी देना, खुदाई करना प्रॉपर टाइमिंग्स पे, मेडिसिन, पेस्टिसाइड्स, अलग अलग टाइप्स की मेडिसिन उसमें डालना. Why they have to put the medicine? So that their crops should not get rotten. सड़ ना जाए, बिगड़ ना जाए, इसलिए ध्यान रखते हैं. धूप में वहाँ पे रहते हैं. And they used to put a scarecrow also over there. वहाँ पे scarecrow भी रखते हैं. अब scarecrow क्या होता है? आपने देखा है तो हम खेतों में जाते हैं, कभी आप रोड पे जा रहे हो, so there is a scarecrow. ऐसे करके वो खड़ा रहता है, पुतला बना के स्टैंड करा देते हैं. कहाँ पे? मिडिल ऑफ द फार्म के मिडिल में. Why they used to put him? Because the small birds, those who used to come over there, they get scared. वो उससे डर जाती हैं. They used to think like that someone is sitting in the farm or someone is roaming in the farm. Farm में कोई है जो घूम रहा है या फिर है वहाँ पे. So that are the things that the farmer used to do for the protection of their crops. Farmer कितना सब वर्क करता है किस चीज़ के लिए? Crops के लिए. When the little bit of crops grown up, जब बहुत ही थोड़ा crops grow up होता है, then what happened? They used to take टेक आउट फॉर द क्लीनिंग, फिर उस क्रॉप्स का क्लीनिंग करते हैं। व्हेन दे यूज्ड टू क्लीन ऑल द क्रॉप्स, व्हाट हैपेंड एट दैट टाइम, दे यूज्ड टू टेक आउट द व्हीट सेम एज द राइस, जैसे वो व्हीट निकालते हैं गेहूं, उसी तरीके से राइस भी निकालते हैं। सो अ फार्मर इज अ पर्सन जो बहुत सारा हार्डवर्क करता है जस्ट फॉर अस, इसके लिए हार्डवर्क करता है बिकॉज ऑफ अस, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस हार्डवर्क ओनली वी आर गेटिंग डिफरेंट डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ फूड फॉर ईटिंग। फार्मर अगर वर्क हार्ड नहीं करेंगे, फील्ड में ध्यान नहीं देंगे, क्रॉप्स नहीं सो करेंगे, सो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट द प्रॉपर फूड, बट दे वर्क सो हार्ड फॉर अस। सो बीइंग अ फार्मर इज अ वेरी गुड जॉब। फार्मर का जो वर्क होता है बहुत ही अच्छा वर्क होता है। नाउ हियर इज अ फार्मर हु यूज्ड टू वर्क इन हिज फार्म। हमारी स्टोरी में जो फार्मर है वो अपने फार्म में वर्क करता है, एंड ही इज हैविंग अ स्मॉल सन। उनका एक स्मॉल सन है। व्हाट इज सन यूज्ड टू डू? हिज सन इज वेरी स्मॉल, स्मॉल इन द सेंस ही इज वेरी टाइनी, he is very tiny, tiny means very small, so we learn the spelling of tiny, T I N Y. His son is very tiny, just it comes in his palm, वो उसके palm के अंदर ही आता है, इतना small उसका baby है, he is very small. So one day what happened when farmer was going to his field, एक दिन क्या हुआ जब फार्मर ने ऐसा कहा कि मैं अपने फील्ड में वर्क करने के लिए जा रहा हूँ, so his baby was very small, उसका बेबी बहुत छोटा सा था। so what he said, I also want to come with you, उसने कहा हमें भी आपके साथ आना है। so he said no, उसने बोला नहीं मैं कैसे लेके जाऊँगा, आप तो बहुत छोटे होगी, and he was very tiny, बहुत छोटा था कि उसके ये palm means this is your palm, ये आपका palm है। उसने क्या बोला, no I want to come with you। he started crying and crying, when he was crying a lot, जब बहुत ज़्यादा रोने लगा, then what the farmer did, farmer took him with to the field, farmer उसको अपने साथ कहाँ ले गया, अपनी field में, and then he put him in a side and started doing his work। फिर उसने क्या करा, उसको एक साइड में रख दिया और अपना वर्क करना वहाँ पे शुरू कर दिया। and what the work he was doing, he was plugging the field। क्या वर्क कर रहा था वो, he was plugging the field, so he started doing his work over there। as he was doing his work, जब वो अपना वर्क वहाँ पे कर रहा था, what happened, immediately he heard a voice of a giant। उसको अचानक से आवाज़ सुनाई दिया एक बहुत ही बड़े giant का, giant means monster, एक बहुत बड़े राक्षस का उसको आवाज़ आई। बिकॉज फार्म हमारा कहाँ पर होता है, वो हमारे हाउस से काफ़ी डिस्टेंस पे होता है, जहाँ पे चारों तरफ ग्रीनरी होती है, या फिर अलग अलग फार्म्स होते हैं जहाँ पे सब लोग सो करते हैं। पीपल यूज्ड टू सो डिफरेंट थिंग्स इन द फार्म। नाउ एज द फार्मर हर्ड द वॉइस, फार्मर ने जब वॉइस सुना, सो ही गॉट स्केयर्ड, उसको लगा ये वॉइस कहाँ से आ रहा है। सो ही इमीडिएटली वेंट टू सी, जैसे वो देखने गया, सो ही वाज प्लगिंग हिज फील्ड, वो ऐसे बेंड होकर अपनी फील्ड को प्लग कर रहा था, खुदाई कर रहा था वहाँ पे। एंड एज ही स्टूड अप, जैसे वो खड़ा हुआ, सो द जायंट वाज स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम, बहुत बड़ा सा राक्षस उसके सामने खड़ा था। ही गॉट वेरी स्केयर्ड, वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा उसको देख के डर गया। नाउ as he got scared, so his young baby started crying। उसका जो small tiny सा baby था, he also started crying, उसने बहुत ज़्यादा रोना start कर दिया। as he was crying, what the monster did, the giant said, I want to take your baby with me। giant monster ने क्या बोला, मैं आपके बेबी को अपने साथ ले जाना चाहता हूँ। but what the farmer said, no no, my baby is very small, मेरा बेबी तो बहुत छोटा है। इफ़ यू गोइंग टू टेक हिम विद यू, हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू सर्वाइव, हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू लिव, मैं कैसे लिव करूँगा, मैं कैसे सर्वाइव करूँगा। सो प्लीज़ डोंट टेक माई बेबी विद यू। ही रिक्वेस्टेड हिम अ लॉट, बहुत रिक्वेस्ट करा उसने उसको कि आप मेरे बेबी को मत ले जाइए, मत ले जाइए। बट द जायंट डिडंट लिसन टू हिम, जायंट ने उसकी बात को सुना नहीं। He said no, I am going to take your baby with me। उसने क्या बोला, मैं आपके बेबी को ले जाऊंगा। Then again what the farmer said, my baby is very small, it used to come, he used to come in my hand only, मेरे ही एक palm में आता है वो, and you are a big giant, आप तो बहुत बड़े से giant हो, if you are going to take my baby, then how I am going to live, मेरा family कैसे चलेगा, मैं कैसे रहूँगा उसके बिना, so don't take my baby, but what the giant said, no, I am going to take your baby with me, and giant was looking so frightened, giant ऐसा दिख रहा था कि उसको देख के सामने जो फार्मर था he got scared, उसको देख के बहुत ज़्यादा डर गया था, so he said no, they both started fighting, then at that time giant was having a big stick in his hand, बहुत बड़ा सा stick था, stick in the sense बहुत heavy stick था, I'll draw for you over here तो आपको पता चलेगा, he was having a stick like this, ऐसा सा था उसके पास कुछ, it was having कांटे निकले होते हैं ना इसमें, he was having something in his hand like this, इसके हाथ में ऐसा कुछ था, he was holding it, उसके पास उसने उसको पकड़ रखा था, हम आपको अपनी बुक में दिखाते हैं कैसा था, see, here is the monster, who is he is the monster, and what he is holding, देखो उसके hand में है ना, he is having in his hand to kill the people, वो मारने के लिए उसने रखा हुआ था, and he is a small farmer, you can see he is a small farmer, and he is its small tiny baby, ये उसका छोटा सा baby है in his hands, so what he said that my baby is very small, if you are going to take my baby, then what I am going to do, how I am going to live, हमारा छोटा ब्रदर है, सिस्टर है, अगर कोई उसको ले जाए तो हम क्या रह पाएंगे उसके बिना, नो, वी शुड ऑलवेज प्रोटेक्ट आवर फैमिली, हमको अपनी फैमिली को हमेशा क्या करना चाहिए, प्रोटेक्शन देना चाहिए, सो दैट नो वन कैन हार्म देम, उसको कोई भी नुकसान नहीं पहुंचा सके, इसीलिए मैम हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू इन द लास्ट लेसन, हमने आपको पहले भी बताया था दैट इफ यू आर गोइंग आउट विदाउट योर फैमिली मेम्बर्स इट इज नॉट गुड, अगर आप अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स के बिना हाउस से बाहर जा रहे हैं, सो इट इज नॉट सेफ फॉर यू, आपके लिए सेफ नहीं है, so we should not go out without our parents because it is not safe. But over here what happened in the story, that farmer took his small baby to the farm, small farmer का जो baby था बहुत tiny था, वो उसको farm में ले तो आया, but as he was crying, जब उसका baby cry कर रहा, cry मतलब रोना होता है ना, मम्मा भूख लगी है, like that, the same crying was there, as the baby was crying, so what happened, the monster said कि well I will going to take your baby, आज तो मैं आपके बेबी को ले ही जाऊंगा, he fight a lot, फार्मर ने कितना फाइट करा but he could not stop the giant to take away his baby, उसने इतना फाइट करा, इतना लड़ा, पर तो भी वो मॉन्स्टर से जीत नहीं पाया, because he was just a man, वो एक सिंपल सा ह्यूमन बीइंग था, फार्मर था, he used to work hard for his सक्सेस, जो भी वो खेती करके उसको मिलता, फॉर दैट ही यूज्ड टू सर्वाइव, उसी से उसका घर चलता था, एंड द बेबी इज एवरीथिंग फॉर द मदर, फादर, ग्रैंडफादर एंड ग्रैंडमदर, जो हम हैं, जैसे आप हैं, आप स्मॉल बेबीज हैं, किसके, मदर एंड फादर, ग्रैंडफादर एंड ग्रैंडमदर, सो मदर, फादर, ग्रैंडफादर, ग्रैंडमदर, एवरीवन्स लव यू अ लॉट, सब आपको बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करते हैं, सो वी शुड नेवर गो आउट विदाउट देयर परमिशन, उनकी परमिशन के बिना हमें कहीं जाना नहीं चाहिए, एंड से व्हाट हैपेंड ओवर हियर, हिज बॉय वाज वेरी स्मॉल, उसका बेबी तो बहुत स्मॉल था, जब इट कम्स इन हिज, ही कम्स ओनली इन हिज palm, but when giant took him, so he started crying, he tried a lot but monster didn't stop, he immediately took the baby in his hand and moved away from there, farmer cried a lot, but the giant monster didn't even hear and he moved away from there, giant monster ने उसको सुना भी नहीं और वो वहाँ से immediately चला गया, then farmer cried and moved back to his house, farmer रोने लगा, but finally जब वो अपने घर गया तो वो सोचने लगा कि अब मैं क्या करूँगा, how I am going to live, how I am going to survive, then he started thinking that as I move to my farm, I should not take my baby, जब मेरा बेबी जिद कर रहा था that come with me, so what I should say, I should not took him with me, it's my mistake, मैं उसको अपने साथ लेकर गया और क्या हुआ, that giant monster took him away, it was not good, now we are going to learn few new words. Okay, now first one was T-I-N-Y, tiny. Who was tiny? Tiny was the baby. Who was tiny? Tiny was the baby. And baby was who? किसका baby था वो? He was farmer's son. He was farmer's son. And how he was? He was very tiny as he comes inside the palm of a farmer. वो farmer के palm के अंदर ही आ जाता था, इतना small उसका baby था. Was number 1. Now number 2. Number 2 is P-L-O-U-G-H. It means plug. Plug means what? As I told you, not that plug कि हमारा वो plug है और हमको चार्जिंग में लगा देना है. No, not that plug. It's the plug that farmer used to do the plugging in their field. Say as for an example, ये farmer का खेत है. क्या है ये farmer का? This is the farm. क्या है ये farmer का? farm. So what he used to do? He have an equipment to do the plugging. वो इसमें क्या करता है? खुदाई करता है. He used to do the plugging inside over here, and what he used to do? He used to sow the seeds. यहाँ पे क्या होते हैं वो? Seeds. Have you seen small seeds? छोटी seeds होती हैं. वो उसको इसमें sow करता है, and from that small seed, new pop-up plants, छोटे plants जो हैं, used to come out. So plugging means to plug the field. Field में गड्ढा करना. That is known as the plugging. For sowing the crops. गड्ढा करना पर किस चीज के लिए? For sowing the seeds over bed. Now the third one is afraid. A-F-R-A-I-D. Afraid means डरना. Who got afraid? The farmer got afraid from the giant. Farmer डर गया था किससे? From the giant. Now the fourth one. Fourth one is cried. C-R-I-E-D. Cried. Cried मतलब रोना. Who cried? The farmer cried loudly. बहुत जोर से रोने लगा था. Why? Because the giant took his baby away. Number 5. Farmer. Spelling F-A-R-M-E-R. Who is a farmer? Farmer is a person who used to work in his farm, grow the crops and get the crops, sell that crops in the market, and from that crops we used to eat it. Now next one is farm. Where farmer used to grow the crops? Inside the farm. So spelling of farm is F-A-R-M. Now next one is giant. Spelling of giant is G-I-A-N-T. Spelling of giant is G-I-A-N-T. These are the words that we should learn. Now at the end, let's recall the whole of the lesson again. We are going to recall whole of the lesson again. Now this is a lesson about the young giant. It's a suspense. अभी suspense है आगे हमारी स्टोरी में. क्या suspense है? Giant जो था वो तो big monster था, but हमारी स्टोरी किसके लिए है? Story is about young मतलब छोटे monster के बारे में. We learn further also कि छोटा monster आखिर था कौन? We are going to learn. But let's recall the story. एक बार revise कर लेते हैं. What is the story? There is a farmer who lived in a village. एक farmer था. He used to live in the village, and he was having his son, and his son was very small that he used to come in his farm. The farmer used to go to the farm for working over there. One day what happened? His baby started crying a lot. उसके baby ने बहुत ज़्यादा cry करना start कर दिया. Then what happened? Farmer said, I could not take you to the farm. मैं आपको farm पे ले जा नहीं सकता हूँ. Why? Because you are very small. Who will going to take care of you over there? वहाँ पे आपका ध्यान कौन रखेगा? So, but the baby didn't listen. Baby ने listen नहीं करा. He started crying a lot. बहुत जोर से रोने लगा. Then finally, what the farmer did? Farmer took him to the farm. Farmer उसको अपने साथ farm पे ले गया. When farmer took took him to the farm, what happened? The baby was crying. वो थोड़ी देर तो वहाँ पे रहा, उसके बाद उसने cry करना start कर दिया. Then again farmer came to see him. Farmer ने आकर उसको देखा. He was sleeping quietly over there. वो आराम से वहाँ पे लेटा हुआ था. And farmer was plugging his field. Immediately फिर farmer ने क्या सुना? Farmer heard a voice of a monster. Farmer को अचानक से monster का आवाज सुनाई दिया. Then as he was plugging field, अगर आपको field में plugging करना है, as I told you over here, तो how you have to do? You have to bend like this. ऐसे bend होके plugging करना पड़ता है ना? Same the farmer was doing. But as he woke up, he stand straight. What he saw that big monster was standing in front of him. एक बहुत बड़ा सा giant राक्षस उसके सामने खड़ा हुआ था. So he got afraid. वो उसको देख के डर गया. उसने क्या सोचा? Now how I am going to survive? अब मैं कैसे रहूँगा इसको देख के? He got scared. बहुत ज़्यादा डर गया उसको देख के. Then what he said, why you are here? तो monster ने उसको क्या बोला कि आपका जो small baby है tiny, I want to take him. मुझे उसको लेके जाना है. Then farmer became very sad. He said, no, why you are taking him? He is everything for me. मेरा बेबी तो मेरे लिए सब कुछ है, आप इसको ले जाएंगे. So how I am going to survive? But the monster didn't listen to him. Monster ने उसकी बात को सुना नहीं. And what the monster did? Monster immediately took the baby away from the farmer's hand. Farmer के hand में से बेबी को तुरंत ले लिया. And what he did? He took him away with the monster to his own cave. Monster कहाँ रहता है? जंगल में बड़े से केव के अंदर, मतलब गुफा के अंदर he used to live. So what he did? He immediately took the baby with him. Now again we are going to read the new words over here. N-E-W, new, W-O-R-D-S. We'll read again. You have to learn these words. Okay. Number one is tiny. Number one is tiny. We'll read the spelling together. T-I-N-Y. Tiny. T-I-N-Y. Tiny. Next one is plug. Next one is plug. P-L-O-U-G-H. P-L-O-U-G-H. Plug. Next one is afraid. Afraid मतलब डर जाना. So spelling of afraid is A-F-R-A-I-D. Next one is cried. Cried मतलब रोना. Who was crying? The farmer was crying very loudly. Why? Because the giant took his son away. So spelling of cried is C-R-I-E-D. C-R-I-E-D. Now next is the spelling of farmer. So we read F-A-R-M-E-R. Again we read together F-A-R-M-E-R. It's the spelling of farmer. Next is the spelling of farm. So spelling of farm is F-A-R-M. Farm. It is the spelling of farm. What is farm? Where farmer used to sow the seed and plug the field over there so that he can sow his seeds over there. Next one is the spelling of giant. Spelling of giant is G-I-A-N-T. Spelling of giant is G-I-A-N-T. Now, what do we learn from this story? इतना हमने पढ़ा स्टोरी में, हमको क्या समझ में आता है इससे? That if we are very small and our mother, father are saying something to us, we should listen. हमको उनकी बात को सुनना चाहिए. But the baby was very small, so what the baby did? Baby तो अपने father की बात नहीं सुन रहा था. He was not listening to him. What he said? He said, no, I want to go to the field. मुझे field में आपके साथ जाना ही है. Where you used to do the work. And what happened to him? क्या हुआ उसके साथ? The monster took him away. Monster उसको वहाँ से लेके चला गया. And what the farmer was doing? Farmer just fight with him but could not succeed. Farmer उससे लड़ा तो सही but वो जीत नहीं सका. Why? Because the monster was very big. जो giant monster था बहुत बड़ा था. So he could not compete with him. So that's why the thing we cannot do we should not do. जो हमको नहीं करना चाहिए, मम्मी पापा बोलते हैं in the house, grandfather is saying, mother is saying, so we should not do that work. Now what we do, we learn few more new words from the book. As we have learned these words, we write few more words over here and we are going to learn them. Let's start. Now as we have learned this 7 number, we learn next one is 8. So we learn the spelling of young. Y O U N G. So we'll read again. Y O U N G. Young means small only, not so much big and not so much small. Okay. Now next spelling was farmer was plugging the field in his farm. Who came over there? Giant. And who was the giant? Giant was a big monster. So spelling of monster, M O N S T E R. Who was giant? Giant was a big monster. Then we learn the spelling of come. And next is along. Now come, C-O-M-E. Spelling of come, we will read together again. C-O-M-E. Come. Come means to come with me. As the baby was crying, the baby क्यों cry कर रहा था? Because he wanted to come along with the farmer. उसको farmer के साथ जाना था. That's why the baby was crying. Now along. Along means साथ में. So spelling of along, A-L-O-N-G. Spelling of along, A-L-O-N-G. Now we'll revise all the spellings together. The name of the lesson was The Young Giant. What's the name of our lesson? The Young Giant. Now we'll read the spellings together. T-I-N-Y, tiny. T-I-N-Y, tiny. P-L-O-U-G-H, plug. P-L-O-U-G-H, plug. Number 3, A-F-R-A-I-D, afraid. Number 3 is A-F-R-A-I-D, afraid. Now comes the turn of number 4, C-R-I-E-D, cried. C-R-I-E-D, cried means grown. Next is number 5 is farmer. Spelling F-A-R-M-E-R. The spelling of farmer is F-A-R-M-E-R. Now comes the turn of number 6. Number 6 is farm. Spelling of farm is F-A-R-M. Let's read again. F-A-R-M. Number 7. Number 7 is giant. Number 7 is giant. So spelling of giant is G-I-A-N-T. Spelling of giant is G-I-A-N-T. Now the turn comes from number 8. What is written on number 8? It's young. Y-O-U-N-G. Spelling of young, Y-O-U-N-G. Next one is monster. Means what? As we have already learned, giant. Monster means what? Giant, Rakshas. Now turn comes of number 10. What it is written? Come. Spelling of come is C-O-M-E. Spelling of come is C-O-M-E. Now the last one is A-L-O-N-G. Again we are going to repeat it. A-L-O-N-G. Now as we have read the whole of the lesson, what is your work? Your work is to revise the lesson again, look at your book and see it again and read it again. That's the work that you have to